Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm David. Hi, everyone. How are you today?
I'm great, David, and I'm so excited about today's topic.
Ooh, a new topic. What are we talking about today?
Today, we're talking about something very important: how we think.
How we think. You mean our ideas in our head?
Yes, exactly. There's a big word for this: mindset.
Mindset. That sounds big.
It sounds big, but the idea is very simple. Your mindset is just your feelings and ideas about something.
Ah, okay. Like if I think English is hard, that's a mindset?
Yes, perfect example. And if you think English is fun, that's also a mindset.
I see. So today we're talking about good thinking for learning English.
Yes, how to change your thinking to change your life. It's very powerful.
Wow, I'm ready. This sounds very useful.
Me too. But wait, before we start our big topic,
Ah, yes, our small request.
listeners, if you like our podcast, please take 1 second and click the like button.
And if you are new here, welcome. Please subscribe to Mr. English Podcast and share this episode with a friend who is learning English.
Thank you so much. Your support is wonderful.
Okay, Emily, mindset. How we think. You said English is hard is a mindset.
Yes, let's call that the stuck mindset.
Stuck. What does that mean?
Stuck is when you cannot move. You are in one place.
Ah, yes, I feel stuck sometimes. My English is not getting better.
That's the feeling. The stuck mindset says, I am bad at this, or I will never learn.
Oh, those are sad thoughts.
Yes, and when you think those thoughts, you want to stop.
Exactly. You feel bad. So the stuck mindset is not good.
No, but there is another mindset, a better one: the growing mindset.
A growing mindset. Like a plant?
Exactly. A plant starts small and grows bigger every day.
Okay, I like this. What does a growing mindset say?
The stuck mindset says, I am bad. The growing mindset says, I am learning.
I am bad versus I am learning. Yes, it feels different.
Very different. I am bad feels finished. I am learning feels hopeful.
Hopeful. What a great word.
Yes. The growing mindset says, this is new for me. This is hard, but I can try.
You're a great teacher, Emily. I'm trying.
The first step is to see our thoughts. Are your thoughts stuck or growing?
Okay, but Emily, how do I change my thoughts if I feel I am bad? How do I stop that?
Ah, I have a magic word for you.
A magic word? I love magic.
It's a very small word. Yet.
Yet. I know that. It means not now, but maybe later.
Exactly. It's a word of hope. Let's take a stuck thought. I do not understand.
Oh, yes. I think that in every English movie. I do not understand.
Now add the magic word at the end. I do not understand yet.
Wow. That feels different.
Yes. I do not understand means stop. The movie is too hard. I do not understand yet means you just need more time.
Ah, okay. I get it. Maybe tomorrow I will understand.
Exactly. You are on the journey. You are growing.
Okay, another one. I cannot speak English fluently.
Add the magic word. I cannot speak English fluently yet.
Perfect. I love that. I'm learning.
The word yet opens the door for the future. It takes away the sad feeling.
So the magic word is yet, and mistakes. I hate mistakes.
I know. Everyone hates mistakes. How do you feel when you make a mistake?
Stupid, shy, bad.
That's the stuck mindset again.
So what does the growing mindset think about mistakes?
The growing mindset loves mistakes.
Loves mistakes? Emily, that's crazy.
Think about a baby learning to walk.
My little cousin, Mia. She's learning to walk.
Is she perfect?
No, she falls all the time.
And when she falls, what do we say?
Good job, Mia. Try again. You can do it.
Exactly. We never say, you are bad. Stop trying.
So mistakes are part of learning.
Yes, mistakes are information. Your brain says, that didn't work. I'll try another way.
Ah, I love that. Mistakes are friends. But Emily, learning English is a huge job. I feel tired just thinking about it.
Don't look at the top of the mountain.
But that's the goal.
Yes, but it's too big. Look at your feet. Just the next step.
Okay. One small step.
Today, learn 2 new words, or listen to one song, or watch one episode of Mr. English Podcast.
2 words, 1 song, 1 episode. Small steps.
Yes, every small step is a brick.
Oh, like building a wall.
Exactly. One brick at a time makes a big wall. Let's remember our 3 big ideas. Change stuck thoughts to growing thoughts. Use the magic word yet. I'm not good yet. Mistakes are friends, like falling when learning to walk.
Bonus idea. Don't build the wall today. Just lay one brick.
Thank you so much for listening. If you liked this episode, subscribe and like.
And in the comments, tell us, what is your one brick today? One small English thing you will do today.
Thank you, everyone. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.